Hey guys, it's Maron Craftsy here with a very quick haul video which has been long overdue. So I have purchased some functionals from Paper Crown Print Scroll, and my bag of goodies from Run with Craft Scissors has arrived also last week, so I am so behind on that. I'm sorry. So let's get started with the functionals, and I have also purchased some glitter headers because I like to use them as for my to-do lists, and she had some very cute one, and yeah, I have already used up one, sorry. So I also purchased this functional for if I need to work on my computer, and of course a sheet of But First coffee because it's like essential, and the wine o'clock ones because I love to sit down with a glass of wine to plan things out. And you see it here, I don't know if I can get to focus it, hopefully. Please, pretty please. Yes, the screw it. Oh, I love that one. I would take a whole sheet of these just for reference. Yeah. And also this one if I would like to craft, and I really love this soft grayish blue she has on this sheet. Yes. And of course get groceries and grocery shopping because it's also essential. Some very cute lunch date, breakfast in bed, and coffee date, dinner date. These are just so cute. I couldn't pass up on this. And there is also some very little ones, and this one because of course I am a TN girl. I have purchased these from Paper Crown Print Co. She has her shop on Etsy, and she has a printable shop also which does the $2 Tuesdays also, so I will link it down below in the description box. So yes, that's one. And the other one I am pretty excited for because I have ordered one thing that will go with my... Oh gosh, these are so beautiful! Sorry, I will stop squealing. So, one clip, paper clip. So Run with Craft Scissors makes paper clips and pen loops, and sometimes also digitals. And yes. And I purchased one that will go with my August Cocoa Daisy kit too. So that's my... Oh, thank you. That's my postcard. She wrote always a hand. Oh, look how much freebies I get. If you write in the note section to the seller which kind of freebie you want to get, like checklist, full box checklist, which you won't get from her because she uses up it all the time, or habit trackers like I did, she sends you some. And I was thinking, okay, she will maybe send me 8 or 10, but no, look at this stack of habit trackers. This will last me months. Okay, that's nice. So this one was the purple flower on a white clip, and I think it's just absolutely adorable. I just love it. I like this lavender color. And Schmetterling. Butterfly, yeah. I'm sorry. So the butterfly, and this one is the second, it's a 2.0 because she had also one with rose gold glitter background, but I wasn't fast enough. So yes, and also she has this very cute dragonfly. I do think she has some more, a few more in her shop from these ones. They are very cute. And another one on a white clip. This is a, you should ruffle up. I should ruffle up. So this is just a cute flower. And yes, maybe you're wondering why I would do this, because I don't live in the US and I don't have children who would play anything, but my husband loves American football. So, and in September American football season starts again, and we will sit down to watch all of the games, and it's actually for him. I will mark every week with this if we have a football game. And he is an avid Seahawks fan. Yeah, Seattle Seahawks. So go Seahawks. I am more of a Patriots one. And yes, the pen loop is one of the things I ordered, because it will go, I think, it will go with my Cocoa Daisy kit. I am not sure now that I'm seeing it. It was more of a golden one, as I have seen in the picture, but this is actually a very pretty purple one with gold accents. I don't know. Can I focus, please? Oh yes, thank you. So yeah, I will see. Okay, we have this one, and I have another pen loop in very bold, glittery silver with white background elastics, and I like it. This is nice. It will be very nice for Christmas, I guess. Yeah. And this one is the one. How cute is that? How stinking cute is that? This bee. Come on. Just like, come on. I love it. Oh, I love it. It will be in my planner for a whole month. Oh, I really love it. And this is her freebie. Another one. I like this one too, and actually the colors also go with the Cocoa Daisy kit. So yeah, that was my purchase from Run with Craft Scissors, and she's also on Etsy, and I will link her shop down below. And I hope you will. Oops. This is paper crumb. Let's go. And hope you will check them out. Both of them, because they have cute stuff. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Hope you will have a great day and a great week, and we will see each other in my next video. Bye!